As always, I am starting with skincare. Here I am using green tea face toner from Good Vibes and I will spray it all over my face and neck area. After this, I will use a moisturizing face cream. This is from Plum. It is the Plum Illuminance face moisturizer and I will dot it all over my face and neck area. As you can see, I've used it almost completely and now I will blend it with my fingers. After skincare, I will straight away move to primer, and the primer which I am using is from Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I will dot it all over my face, concentrating on my T-zone because here I crease the most. After applying the primer, I will leave it on my skin for few seconds, and in the meanwhile I will fill my eyebrows off camera. After this, I will use a concealer around my eyebrows to enhance them. The concealer which I am using here is from Lakme Absolute White Intense range and my shade is 01. I will apply this concealer around my eyebrows and also on my eyelid area, and I will blend it using a flat brush. After blending my concealer, I will set the concealer with a compact powder which is from Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte range, and my shade in the compact powder is 01. For the foundation, I am using Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation and my shade is W120 Warm Creme. I will dot it all over my face and neck area and then I will blend it with the foundation brush. Now I will set my foundation with a compact powder which is again from Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte range and the shade is 01. After using the compact, I will set my whole face with a makeup setting spray which is from Faces Canada Ultime Pro Makeup Setting Spray. Coming towards eye makeup, today I am using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette in the shade Hypnotic, and with these three shades I will do my eye makeup today. So with the first shade I am taking it on a fluffy blending brush and I am carving my crease line with this light brown shade. Now on a pencil brush I am taking the second shade, that is the dark brown shade, and I will just place it on the outer corner of my eyes. After placing it there, I will blend it with the transition shade using a fluffy blending brush. I will repeat this process till the time I get my desired look. Now I am taking the third shade, that is shimmery bronze shade, and with my fingertips I will apply it on my eyelid area. I will apply this color till the time I get my desired shade, and after the look is complete I will once again blend the whole eyeshadow with a fluffy blending brush. For the eyeliner, I am using Lakme Insta Liner. This is very affordable and jet black eyeliner as you can see here. So here I am making a very simple thin line on my upper lashes without any drama, without any wing. Now comes the highlight of this whole look. This is Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade 03 Green Light, and with this kohl pencil I will make a thick line on my lower lash line. Today for the first time I am using some other color kohl pencil rather than black color. So please let me know in the comment section whether this is looking good on my eyes or not. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I will use this aqua color from Nicka K eyeshadow palette in the shade Birthday Cake. Now I am giving the final touch to my eye makeup by using a mascara. This is from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and I will apply 2 coats of mascara on my upper lashes and lower lashes both. Coming back to my face makeup, I am using this face palette from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and I will use highlighter, bronzer and blush from this palette only. For my lipstick, I am mixing two shades together. The first shade is from Color Bar Cosmetics. The shade is 53M Stardust. And the second shade which I will use is from Faces Canada, and the shade name is Subtle Mauve. So I'm done with the makeup and now I'm going to wear my accessories. I'm wearing these beautiful oxidized silver earrings, and here I applied a small round stone bindi. I also wore my silver kara which I bought recently, and this is the final look guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment section what you liked and what you didn't like, and whether you have any suggestion for me or not. I will appreciate every comment which you will do to improve my channel and my videos. I will link all my social media handles in the description box where I give regular updates. So please don't forget to follow me there also. If you are new on my channel and if you like my content, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you are an old subscriber, then don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Hope you all will celebrate the festival of lights with all the needed safety. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. May Ma Lakshmi shower her blessings on you and your family. I will meet you all again very soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care of yourself and take care of your family. Bye bye guys. Love you all. Bye.